Do you want to unlock access to 675 million potential leads in over 200 different countries? Oh wow, what a dream, of course you do! Welcome to the NetHunt CRM Learning Hub, a home of your LinkedIn lead generation experts. Stay tuned because we're going to give you the keys to unlock all those leads. It's no secret that LinkedIn is lead paradise. We actually already told you that. It's social media for business professionals, with users reporting 45% more sales opportunities created, 51% reporting a higher likelihood of achieving their sales goals, and 80% reporting an improvement on their productivity. But what if I told you that there is a secret side to our LinkedIn lead paradise? By the end of this video, you're going to know 8 secret places to look for leads that your competitors are not looking. And you're going to have a CRM database crammed full of leads to get busy with. You're going to need 3 things for this video. First, a LinkedIn profile. Second, NetHunt CRM. And third, the NetHunt CRM LinkedIn extension, which is in the web store. That integration grabs all that data like names, job titles, company names, and website addresses from a lead's profile and puts it into your NetHunt dashboard. You already know that actually. Made a video for it. The link's on the screen right about now. Once you install NetHunt extension for LinkedIn, you will automatically show which LinkedIn profiles and companies are already in your CRM and which ones are new. If the NetHunt icon is blue, it means that you already have this contact into your CRM. And if it's white, you've not. With one click of the button, you can automatically enrich their records with details that are available to you as a user. That being their profile picture, first name and last name, company title, email, phone number, Skype ID, Twitter handle, birth date, and of course, a link to their LinkedIn profile. And now, the juicy part. 8 places to find leads on LinkedIn. Number 1. View who else is viewing. 1 prospect becomes 10. The people also viewed section provides a lot of visibility for LinkedIn users. 10 users who have been snooping around the same profile you are looking at, updated multiple times each month. This section is on the right-hand rail of a first degrees profile for LinkedIn on desktop, or at the very bottom of the mobile app. Connect with them, then hit the magic button to put them into your CRM dashboard. Number 2. Find out who viewed your profile. A profile view can even become a lead for your business on LinkedIn. If someone's looking at you, assume they're keen on what you've got to offer. On top of the semi-annoying someone's viewed your profile emails, you can see who has looked at your profile on LinkedIn dashboard. LinkedIn Basic allows users to see up to 5 people who have viewed their profile. On the other hand, premium users receive an unlimited number. Connect. Get them in your pipeline. Number 3. Endorse. Endorsements are LinkedIn's referral system. They can be used to find prospects by looking at the endorsements of your existing connections, or they can be used to nurture them by a way of compliment. If you're feeling cheeky, you can endorse brand new connections as a way of breaking the ice. They can be found right in the middle of a connections profile. Number 4. Lead recommendations. You're not going to get much better leads for your business than the ones here. This feature offers recommendations based on sales preferences, search history, and previous profile interactions. Wait, what's the catch with such a glorious lead finding feature? Well, you need Sales Navigator. Check out the vid we made about LinkedIn's different subscription plans. The link's on the screen now. Number 5. Content. We don't actually want your life story, but do dedicate 60 seconds a day to writing a post. It's all about establishing your name as an expert within your LinkedIn sphere. It's all about proactivity. Have an idea of who's commenting on their content, connect with the ones that interest you, and hit that magical LinkedIn NetHunt button. Number 6. Join groups. Professionals use these groups to gain insight into their industry and to interact with other members. Chatbot. Groups are private by default. Leads in them are of a higher quality. Use the discussion tab at the top of the group's homepage and post questions, comments, or statements to get your voice heard. Tailor your message to each group, build your profile, connect, and get them in the pipeline. Number 7. Referrals. As your first-degree connections grow, you should introduce yourself to each new one. This breaks the ice of making the first comment and opens up the possibility of collaboration. Have a browse through the recent customers' connections and see which of them might be suitable for your business. If you feel comfortable enough with your connection, forward them a list of the people and ask if they would mind sending a quick introduction of you to them. The worst thing that can happen is that if they say no, not a big deal. Number 8. Use advanced filters. There's loads and loads and loads of filters that you can use to find the perfect lead for your business. Look at all of those flipping filters. You can tailor your search for leads down to the keywords they post in their updates. Search filters are sent from the lead heavens, saving desperate sales teams from scrolling for LinkedIn all day. Get them in NetHunt CRM. Congratulations! You've got loads of sweet leads. It doesn't end there though. The buyer journey has just begun. Have a little nosy about our learning hub to find out how to reach out and best close a deal. You can do it all from NetHunt, no sweat. As if that wasn't enough LinkedIn for a business brain. Your favorite LinkedIn Sales Experts Hub have written an ebook devoted to sales on LinkedIn. Please shout out in the comments below that you would like to get this ebook, and our team will get in touch with you. Like, comment, subscribe. Go and watch our playlist on how to grow sales on LinkedIn. NetHunt over and out.